So hi guys, I am wondering, are you ready for some more crafty card making inspiration? I know I am. So each month I do a couple of swaps, and during those swaps I get a lot of different cards from a lot of you guys, and I can't wait to see what you sent me this last month. I have not opened them again. I always try to do the opening online so that you can see what I get inspired from and get to see these wonderful makes for yourself. So let's go ahead and take a look at those cards. Okay, so this first card, and I have my list of folks over to the side, is from, the first group is going to be the swap that I did with the Foiling Snobs Club. There's going to be a link down in the description to that group if you're interested in joining or participating in any of their swaps. The first person's name is Delina Avery. I believe that I've got that said right. And let me go ahead and get that open up. I am going to try to hide any and all of the addresses for the privacy of all the folks. So let's see what Miss Delina sent to me. Oh, and that is so pretty. And this looks like it's done with a spirograph. Now, I did get like a mini spirograph kit recently, and I have not used it on any of my cards yet, but that was the exact reason for it. That is so cute. Consider this a paper hug across the miles. Fantastic. And I've got a long note I will read later, so she is just a sweetheart. So thank you so much. That was the first card. I'll leave that out for you guys. The next one is from Miss Bobby Harris. I'm going to try not to cut her card. That is the hardest part with this. And she also used a sticker to seal it, so that is sweet. Oh, that is another pretty birthday, a thank you card. Now, I believe that the swap over there was thank you themed, so that is what we've got. She says, hi, enjoy. You're amazing. Thank you for everything. That is very pretty. I love that foiled sentiment. Looks like she's got it popped up on another layer of cardstock. So that's two real pretty little thank you cards. This next one is from Sandra Lee Rojan. This one might be easier for me to open. And it is a nice big slimline card, and I can already see all that foil in there. That is so pretty. Just for you. That is lovely. Let me take the note. So she's got some foil accent on the front. She's got a foil panel, a layered die cut in the center, some extra little hardstyle at the bottom, and the sentiment is in some glitter foil. Some glitter cardstock, and layered on another piece of cardstock. And the inside, she's also got a couple of layers of cardstock in there as well to decorate the inside. And this one also has a long note in there, and I will read that later as well. That one is so pretty. This one is from Terry Zuzanis. And I'm going to open that one off camera slightly because it's got the address on the back. Oh, and that one is one of those real nice colorful ones. I have seen the dies for this, which is really nice. They have each individual one with each letter, and you just line them up. So that is a really cool card. Another long note, so I will be reading that later as well. And she did stamp the back of it, handmade with love, hugs, and kisses. That is so precious. The next card is from Ms. Anna, and this one is also the last one from the Foiling Snobs Club, and this one is from Anna Rebadou. Rebadou? I probably am saying that completely wrong. Oh, that is so pretty too. I love the way that they combine die cuts and foil and embossing. They are just all so pretty. And it looks like this is Anna's first card swap. Well, Anna, you did a fantastic job, so thank you so much for that. So these are the ones that I've received from the folks over in the Foiling Snobs Club. Now, I also do a swap over in my Facebook group, Crafting with Debbie, and I received a couple of cards from some folks over there. Also want to say that I am missing a couple of cards from the swaps from this last month, and I have a feeling that they're just lost in the mail. That's one reason why I waited so late to actually get this up. But I do want to share the things that I did receive from my members over in my Facebook group, although I don't know that these were actually ones from the swap. I think it's just where they wanted to send me something, which was super nice. So this first one is from Alderman, I'm trying to remember her, oh, Cordelia. Miss Cordelia sent me a birthday card. This is just lovely. Look at that. And I believe she colored all of those flowers, and she did such a pretty job, and then added a couple of little some clear, not exactly gems, they're clear droplets on there to look like little water droplets, and that is just too pretty. I love that one. And she left me a note on the inside, so thank you so much, Miss Cordelia. And then this one is from Camille Ernst, and again, that's where I'm not 100% sure this is part of the swap, but if I owe her a card, I will send her out a card. So Camille, if you're watching this, please let me know whether or not I was supposed to swap with you. I didn't see it on my list, but that's not to say that I didn't somehow miss it. So this one, oh, that is too cute. Look at that little kitty. So she's got, the background is either pattern paper. I think she's actually did some, I think she ink blended and then did some splatter over that, and then did some embossing with an embossing folder for the little waves. Added a few little droplets of gems there as well, and she's got this little kitty that is chilling out in the pool and having a drink. That is too awesome. And she says cheers. And then she said, oh, okay, so this one is not one from a swap. Her note is basically saying that she wanted to let me know that she likes my channel and seeing all the cards that I designed and wants me to have a great summer. So that was super sweet. Thank you so much, Miss Camille. I was not expecting the card, so thank you. So that is it for my Happy Mail for this month. As I mentioned, the part of this is from my group, Crafting with Debbie, so if you'd like to join us and get in on some of the swaps, feel free to do so. I'll leave a link down below to both the Foiling Snobs Club and to the Crafting with Debbie Facebook group. I also do some live streams once a week on Tuesday nights, and I have other videos come out all week long. So be sure to drop on back by. Thank you so much for joining us, and as I always say, if I can make it, you can too. Thank you guys. You have a wonderful day, and I hope that the projects here gave you a little inspiration just like they did me. I think they are just lovely. Thanks guys. Have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.